I'm so happy kasi sumali lang ng Voice Kids si Yana. Because she used to be in my team sa The Voice Generation. So just very, very happy. Sayang kasi napunta siya kay Coach Billy. I would have loved to, mentor her again. But, ayun.
Ano yung pakiramdam now? Like this time around?
Happy po and kinakabahan and
Feeling ko kasi dahil nag-mature na rin talaga yung boses niya at nag-mature din siya as a young lady. So, I'm very excited sa magiging journey niya dito sa The Voice and for sure na magagabayan talaga siya ni Coach Billy. Happy for her.